Zoom. What's that noise? What's that noise? Huh? What is that? What's that noise? Freaky. Came outside to smoke a cigarette and I hear this. That's the road right there. I ain't coming out of this building. As you can see, there's nothing in the sky. Other than whatever that little fleck of reflection that is. Yeah, it's reflection. It moves with me. It's coming from over that way. It's a straight lamp right there. Well, door lamp. As you can see, there's no blinking lights. No sign of an airplane. Aim it up a little bit higher. So yeah, don't know what that is, but it's scary.
Alright, so we've heard a lot about strange noises at night, especially in the United States. This is the balcony of my apartment. It's really dark out there. Let me see if you can hear this. I'm coming out there now. Excuse me. It's pretty dark, but you can see right here some lights. That's a building. Like an old, I don't know, abandoned building. Let me see, I'm pointing the camera up. I can't see anything out here. But have a listen. This is like the weirdest thing that I've ever heard. It sounds like there's some kind of helicopter just kind of parked behind those buildings, but there's a street back there. I don't know if there's any construction going on down the street there, but I don't know if that sounds like a jackhammer. Right now I'm facing west. This is the western sky of South Florida. You can't see it here, but I'm pointing up there. That's Orion's belt. Can't see it. I have a screen on my balcony, so and I'm on my phone. I don't know. I want to say I smell like something's burning. I don't know. It might be some construction. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna say, but I don't know. I've never heard a jackhammer go on for that long like that. All right. No idea what that is.
I have no idea.
February 20th, and I'm assuming you guys can obviously hear this. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's actually quite loud.
Okay, this is February 18th, 2014. I just want to take a couple of minutes here at 1:55 a.m. Heard a couple of booms here in central Arkansas. I'm about 80 miles from Oklahoma, and they're having an earthquake swarm there. People reporting their houses shaking a little bit throughout Oklahoma. The first one I heard was at 1:55 a.m. and then around 2:15, give or take, a.m. Heard a couple of more, and then a few minutes after that, about 4 of them come through, just kind of like boom, 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 boom. And the last series of them that I heard earlier actually shook my house a little bit, not to the point where pictures fell off the wall or anything, just a quick jar. But in any case, you know, I've been hearing this stuff off and on for about 36 months, usually in the fall, going into the winters, usually when these mystery booms, which is basically methane booms, is what that's all about. But I haven't heard or felt what I have tonight, so, but I was just getting ready to go to bed when this ended up breaking out, so obviously I'll be up for a little bit while longer before I'm going to be able to get any sleep. I stay up late anyway, so just because a lot of this stuff goes on at night when it's happening. So, but anyways, just reporting what I felt here in central Arkansas, and people have been reporting already in Oklahoma. So anything else was to happen. Internet services did go down here after the first booms there, right around 2 a.m. The internet went down briefly, and then it came back up. So, but in any case, like I said, anything that's worth reporting, any more booms come through or shaking, then I'll do another video and keep people posted. God bless.